windy out today. 35 to 45 mile an hour gusts. What do you guys do when you ride into the wind? If you're a new rider, you got to slow it down a bit. I'm a dummy. I go 80. See my front end dancing. Especially on this big wind sail. You know, sure footed like the Jigsaw. Take off, and I got this cool spot I want to check out. Look at that sled, man. Klaus, that's for you, dude. So right now, I'm in Brookings, the east side of Brookings, South Dakota. And yeah, we're gonna go try to find this off-road spot, see if I can go down by this water and see what it looks like. That was 4.3 gallons on a 5.8, and I had 150 on it. We got both necks. Love the dual purposes. Lanes like we're at the DMV trying to get your license. You gotta do it on a sidewalk, at least in Illinois. South Dakota's crazy. They make you have a freaking helmet on and somebody follows you. I think that's pretty ridiculous because I've taught a lot of people how to ride motorcycles, and there's a lot of people that shouldn't be riding motorcycles. If you're thinking about getting a bike, go to the motorcycle safety school. I would recommend it. It's awesome. So all those big old crane guys making money. Which has making money. Yeah, I'm a loser. I cut into the traffic sometimes, so sorry guys. 29, north and south, and take us down to Texas and hit the beach. Welcome to South Dakota. Rookies, go nice college, SDSU, go blue, go Jacks, man. Go Jacks. Couldn't do it, don't care. I'd be at that place because it's a whole membership. Well, I'd be there every day with my car. I live in the sticks, 30 miles from here. Maybe we'll roll through here and give a nice, like, sunny day tour through Brookings, past the college and stuff, and show you what you're going to do when you come to South Dakota. Right now, I want to go to this off-road spot while I got good batteries. See if we can get off-road. Get this girl what she's meant to do. Man, I got a guy in front of me. It's a firefighter. Thank you to all the firefighters and police officers that watch the channel. God bless y'all. Thank you to everybody watching the channel. God bless y'all. Always hiring, man. Here's 3M. You guys can freaking come and move on out here. We can go play track. Send some stuff. 3M, big old 3M plant. Brooklyn, South Dakota. looks like we ran to the end. Not for us. Oh man, damn it. No hunting, no trespass. I know there's a spot that the guys all hunt from at work. Might be just a little more south. Man, I should get a whole, oh, look at that. I wish I had the drone. Gonna have to come back here with the drone, guys. Yeah, we might have to explore. Hopefully nobody gets pissed off at me and I get shot. Gotta do it, guys. I'm real sorry. I don't like to trespass nobody's stuff. We're going for the $1 million shot here, off-road. And I tread lightly. That's what they do in America. We tread lightly. Ooh, man, look at this. It's like it's ready to go. I'm just trying to get to the river. I don't want to mess up anybody's stuff, so we'll see what we can do here. I don't know if I can. It's beautiful. Oh man, look at this. Look at this, look at this. Oh, they're gonna be upset here. A little too deep. Oh, that's way deep there. Whew, you fall on that, it's having a bad day. Thought about it. We ain't thinking about it. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Where the heck? Oh, it's a culvert. I'm on a culvert. Be careful here. We eat it. My river. It's beautiful though. Yeah, so riding the Big Red Pig here, the Honda 650L. If I was on the Kawasaki 300, which I'll end up getting probably next year, the wind here, we would be struggling. I was struggling to do 75 coming southbound. It's beautiful out here. To the landowner, you have a very beautiful piece of property. I'm gonna do it for... Awesome. We'll go to another spot, guys, but yeah, this is kick butt. That's why we got the 650. I'm sorry to be trespassing on somebody's property. Forgive me, guys. Sir. The drone over here. Look at that beautifulness. There's about that bridge there. Go check it out. You know what? We can make it walk. Can I get up in there? Sorry guys, gotta do it. Hopefully I don't steal my bike because I left the key in it. drone, man. Look at this beautiful area. God, I'd love to take the bike up in here, man. Oh, I moved it. We'll do it one more time. Perfect. Sorry, Mr. Farmer. We're going to check this water out. Always tread lightly. Obey your laws, over the state laws. And try not to piss the farmers because these guys make them happen. I just want to walk the water. Watch a doofus here eat it. Oh, look at that, nice little trees. Skirt tailing, baby. Boop, 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 boop. I could almost get down there. I just don't know if I can get back up. And then the old girl will be stuck. That'd be a bad day. Another drone aspect. Got to give me another drone. Sorry, Mr. Landowners. I'm treading lightly here. That's beautiful, man. Get my trees growing like this. I want my stuff all up. Oh, look at the deer. That's pretty awesome. Can't really blend in a big red light, so sorry guys. I'll be stopping all this. Stay calm. Got a barbed wire fence, have a bad day. Ooh, man, we can almost cross it. I don't know if I get back up out there once you get stuck. I'm gonna go get the truck and then I'll really be in deep trouble. Woohoo! Look at this, guys. This is beautiful out here. It's about, man. God bless America. God bless all the veterans that hook us up with our freedoms. Because of them, my dumb butt could be out here playing. Thank you very much. I like the size of that. Look at that beautiful spot. Ooh, they have a really nice piece of property. Look at this beautiful. This is beautiful. Man. I'm going to have to do another improv. I think I'm swapping the batteries in the bike GoPro. I'm going to take this up here for Google Maps. Look at this. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Look at this, man. This is great. Gotta rock my Coach fanny pack. Thank you very much, Melissa, for the use of the GoPro holder. Google Maps, here you come. Alright, I think that one's dead. Just about. It's like right there. I should just let it conk out, but I'll miss something. But I got the one on my neck, on my face running. But yeah, let's take a look. Look at that. I could, like, realistically, you could get down there, but I don't know how deep that is. I could skate that. But my luck, I just won't get up the ridges. I can come down them, but we're gonna get stuck. And I got 80-20s on there, and then I don't need to be stuck. Any fish? Oh, look at the little minnows. I don't know if you can see them. I need a UV filter. Sick. Another drone spot. I'm gonna have to go get my drone. Having the boss order from BB. Where we at? Is this dead? I better just stop it. 6%. Stop, you guys.